Hey dummy, welcome back. I know what it is this time, and I don't feel bad. I've been having the same problem. Rabbi's Discord and now KickFam's Discord has taken over your chat and keep asking you to join. Well, you can quit burning up the last of those brain cells. I've got a solution. So sit down, shut up, and pay attention. First off, if you haven't already, make sure you've connected your streaming platform to Lumia. Whether it be Kick, Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, doesn't matter, connect it to Lumia. You're gonna head on down to the connections button. At the top right of the screen, you're gonna click add new connection, and then you're gonna add your streaming platform. Once you've connected your streaming platform, head on over to the main page. We're gonna find commands at the top left, and then we're gonna find chat match, should be the second option down. I've got a few already made here, so I'm gonna delete them so I can walk you through setting one up. We'll set up our favorite one, Rabbi's Discord. Here we go. First off, I'm gonna change the chatbot message that shows up in chat when they get banned. We're gonna change it to something funny like bye-bye Roth, bye-bye Rabbi, bye-bye Rabbi. I have my lights set up to flash and play like my regular ban, and then we're gonna go to Kick Actions. Type is gonna be ban user. Username is gonna be the username of the sender. And then you can type in whatever reason you want at the end. Click add action to add it to the list, then click apply and refresh. Once you've done that, we need to name it so we don't forget what it is. I'm gonna name mine a Rabbi's Discord. And in the second box, we're gonna put the term that we want to trigger the ban. In this case, when he types Rabbi's Discord, it'll automatically ban them. Once you've done that, you're all done, you're set. Way to go, dummy. Another Lumia tutorial complete. Now you can automatically combat those bots without having to look. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button and check out some of our other how-to videos, dummy.